How to unblock someone on Snapchat. Ever block someone in the heat of the moment and now you want to give them a second chance? No worries, unblocking on Snapchat is super easy. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to unlock someone in just a few taps. Let's dive right in. First, open your Snapchat app and log in if you aren't already. Now head to your profile by tapping your Bitmoji at the top left corner. Here, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. This is where all the magic happens. Scroll down to the privacy control section. You'll see it right here. You can see blocked users right here. Tap on it. Here you'll be seeing all the people you have blocked. Now in order to unblock them, simply tap on this cross and it will ask for confirmation. Just tap yes and they will be unblocked. Repeat the same process for another user. Just like that, you unblock them. Super simple, right? And unblocking someone won't automatically re-add them as a friend. So if you want to add them back on your friend list, you'll need to send a new friend request. And that's it. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.